Hi everyone, I'm Shivangi Dutt and today I'm going to be trying out the trends with SSBeauty. This year has been full of viral makeup looks, and being a makeup artist and content creator, I absolutely love jumping onto them. I have tried some of the 3 looks that I'm going to be creating today, and the rest I'm going to try in front of you now. First trend for today is going to be cherry cola lips. I absolutely love this trend. Everyone's obsessed over it, so let's try it. I'm going to first start with my base makeup, and first things first, we have to get to skin prep, for which I'm going to be using the Essential Energy Hydrating Cream by Shiseido. This cream really helps hydrate my skin and plump it up right before I get in with the makeup. I'm now using the Synchro Skin Tone Up Primer Compact by Shiseido. This has SPF and it's so beautiful to apply on your skin right before makeup to get the perfect base. I'm now using the Luminous Foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I only need 1 pump to cover my full face with this beautiful foundation. I got this foundation from SSBeauty, and they're also running their Ace the Base campaign, which is now live till 5th November, and you can get your favorite base products for a steal deal. And now for my under eyes, I'm using the Magic Touch Concealer. Again, I got this from SSBeauty, and this is my favorite concealer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now that my face is looking fairly flat, I need to contour it and sculpt it a little bit. And I'm using the ABH Contour Palette, which also has a really beautiful cream blush, which is just going to enhance my features and lift up my cheeks and give me a really cute flushed out look. To set my base in place, I'm using a powder compact. This is Studio Fix by MAC, my all-time favorite. I'm now using this cute little single eyeshadow from MAC, which is perfect for filling in my eyebrows and also for my eyeshadow. The last thing before I get on with my lips, I'm just gonna stack on a few strokes of my waterproof mascara by MAC. I'm gonna start this lip combo by using this eyebrow pencil as my lip liner. This works perfectly. This is a Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's a great lip liner. The shade, the smoothness, and it really contours my lips, so it's like super perfect for any lip combo. Now that we're done with the lip lining, we're gonna get to the cherry part of the cherry cola lip combo, and I'm using Quiet Riot by Estee Lauder. It's a beautiful shade to create a cherry lip combo. I'm now using Lust Lip Gloss by MAC. You can add this just to the center of your lip, or you can add it all over for a juicy cherry cola lip. So this is the final look of this trending lip combo. I'm absolutely loving this juicy cherry cola lip. I love these products from SSBeauty. Now let's get on to our second makeup trend. Our next trending look is the latte makeup look. For this one, we're going to be doing a lot of bronzing, a nude lip, highlight, and a little bit of brown eyeshadow. I'm going to start giving myself a sun-kissed look using the Give Me Sun bronzer. This is the Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. I'm now using Brow Freeze by Anastasia Beverly Hills to give myself some bushy, fluffy eyebrows. Now to start with my eye makeup, I'm using the Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, using the dark browns and the softer shades. I'm going in with shade Coastline to transition, and I'm adding it all over my lid, really soft and smooth, not giving any harsh lines. I'm going in with the shade Balm, which is a dark brown, and I'm using it very softly on my outer corners and slowly transitioning into my crease line. I'm now adding the same eyeshadows to my lower lash line to accentuate my eye shape. Now using these MAC highlighting pigments, I'm just gonna add them to my underbrows and to my highlighting areas like the tip of my nose. I can also add it to my cheeks. For my cheeks, I'm using the Inner Glow Cheek Powder by Shiseido. It's so beautiful and perfect for creating soft makeup looks. My lips, I'm using the MAC Matte Lipstick in Taupe. This is such a beautiful shade to be wearing if you want a nude lip or to complete your latte look. If you prefer a softer look, you can always blend out your lipstick at the lip line for a more natural finish. Absolutely loving this latte makeup trend. It is really awesome. I love how sun-kissed and dewy my skin is looking, and it's so wearable. It's now time for our final makeup trend. For this trend, we're going to be creating a dark feminine look. So we're going to have dark smoky eyes with a nude lip and a super sharp face. Start with my MAC eyeshadow in shade Carbon. This is completely black and super pigmented. This eye makeup is all about accentuating and lifting up the eyes, so we're really going to work on the outer corners. Using the same black eyeshadow, I'm going to go to my lower lash line and enhance the lash line as well. You can also add some kajal if you like. This is a really unapproachable makeup look, so we're going to be making it more intense by applying a winged eyeliner, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. I'm now using the dip brow from Anastasia Beverly Hills to intensify my eyebrows and add to the dark feminine look. To complete this look, I'm using this Super Stay matte ink from Maybelline. This is in shade Seductress. I'm now using this Jeffree Star Posh Spice to contour my lip. This is going to help give a little bit more definition to my lips and really add to that intensity of the dark feminine look. This is the finished look and it has to be my favorite out of the three. Tell me which one is yours, and don't forget to subscribe to SSBeauty's channel for more such content. Bye!